guys, so it's late afternoon on day 1 of our 1920s bungalow renovation, and I couldn't wait to stop by and see how things are actually shaping up during the demo day. Honestly, demo day is one of my favorite parts because it's messy, it's exciting, it's a thing that starts your project, and honestly, once the dust settles, you can finally start to see the vision for the new space that is taking shape. Let's check it out and see how the crew's doing. So the popcorn ceiling is down, and now we have a cleaner kitchen to actually look at. So our idea is to get rid of this swinging door so that we actually have full access into the dining room and everything's kind of a little bit more open. We're gonna keep it as a galley kitchen. We're not moving this wall here because we didn't want to do extra work. So we're actually gonna be doing a stackable washer and dryer on the left side, and then the electrical box, which is here, we're going to keep in this location. Really gonna look like a galley kitchen. It'll flow and not this. Really, you won't pay attention to when you look at it visually. One thing you might ask is, why are you gonna be putting a washer and dryer in front of the windows? Well, we're actually getting rid of these windows and this door and the windows to your left. The windows are all going to be gone. The sliding doors are be gone. We're actually going to do a 9 to 12 light exterior door here. You're good. Hey. So this is all going to be drywall. So it'll look like a clean and purposeful kitchen. Here is a typical old electrical box that we typically find in these old houses that have to be updated because these are not going to be insured at all for home insurance or renter's insurance. Look, we have some cloth wiring here. We've got some regular wiring, but we just need to take care of the cloth wiring and double check that it is not active. And there's also not any knob and tube in the rest of the house. Sometimes you walk in and you open up the electrical box and you see this wire, but you also see cloth wiring, which you see here. Sometimes you don't even see it, but we also, when we opened up the ceiling, found some knob and tube. So we have some other things to deal with, and it's not just these two. We're gonna have the electricians look into this. So in this bungalow that we are going to be restoring for a client, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, whereas in the ends, the full outcome, we're actually gonna have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, like full bathrooms. Not a half, not a whatever. We're gonna have a master and a guest bath. So you've just walked outside to the future deck area, and you're not going to see this ugly window here. You're also not going to see these ugly sliding doors. We're actually going to have a deck that's going to come out practically the whole way where the concrete floor is, and it's going to wrap all the way over here. So you're going to have a nice deck that's not really high, and you just get to have a nice view of your backyard. So you get to maybe put a grill together, have a nice evening, have some cafe lights, and enjoy the peaceful backyard.